Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix T-Mobile 5G internet showing wrong location, IP, GPS and VPN fix guide. To fix the T-Mobile 5G home internet showing the wrong location, you need to force a new IP assignment by rebooting your gateway or bypass IP-based geolocation using device-level GPS and location services. Because T-Mobile uses a cellular mesh network, your internet traffic is routed through regional data hubs. Websites read the location of that hub, which could be hundreds of miles away instead of your actual house. Fix 1. Power cycle the gateway. Unplug the power cord from the back of your T-Mobile gateway. Wait for 60 seconds to let the internal capacitors clear. Then plug it back in and allow up to 2 minutes for the 5G connection to reestablish. Fix 2. Enable local device permissions. For streaming devices, Roku, Apple TV, Fire Stick, go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Location. And ensure your correct zip code is manually entered or that location services are turned on. For web browsers, if Google search or the local site shows the wrong city, click the log icon next to the URL bar, select Site Settings, and change location to Allow. Fix 3. Match your home address in the app. Open the T-Life app, formerly the T-Mobile Internet app. Use the Gateway Placement Assistant tool. Grant the app always allow location access or manually input your precise home address to align local network parameters. Fix 4. Turn off VPNs temporarily. Using a virtual private network mask alters your digital location. If you have a corporate or personal VPN running on your computer or router, turn it off to see if your local streaming channels and search results return to normal. Fix 5. Submit an IP correction request. Visit What is my IP to find your current IPv4 address. Use their IP address geolocation incorrect tool to submit a correction directly to the major reporting databases like MaxMind and IP2 location. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.